This final tutorial is a little bit of fun, and what I'm doing here is I'm painting a heart shape onto some heavyweight cartridge paper with a watercolour brush and adding some of that lovely Cult Pens Robert to the left hand side and some of its opposite, the Maureen, to the right hand side, and I'm just letting these blend together and I'm agitating the paper to encourage that and speed it up. Now in the middle there, where the colours are blended together, it is a little bit too thick and a bit too rich. There's quite a lot of fluid on the paper, so I'm going to grab some kitchen towel and I'm just going to mop some of that out. And what you'll see is as I'm mopping out some of that weight of colour in the middle, it's lightening up the other edges. And to help that process further, I'm flicking in some bleach and getting some lovely mottled effects. But it's still too dark, so I'm just going to mop out a little bit more of those fluids. And then a little bit more bleach. Yeah, we've got some nice looking effects going on there. So I'm going to let that semi-dry, and then I'm going to flick a little bit more bleach on there, and as you can see, because it is semi-dry, bleach doesn't spread as much as when it's wetter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach for some metal dusts. I've got two pots of these. They're both made by Schmink, and I've got some gold and some copper, and just by dipping the end of my brush into the pot of dust, I'm just, as you can see, I'm just tapping it onto the image. So that's the gold, and then I'm going to go and grab some copper. Now these dusts are glue based, so if it's semi-dry, leave these on the surface and they will adhere to the art. And of course get your lights nice and bright and you're left with a very quick, pleasing shape. Simple but very effective, and once again it's just using fountain pen inks, and you can use any colours. Give it a go. For more detailed information about ink brands and swatch testings, please go to my website www.nickstewart.ink.